Good morning, friends. How's everyone doing today? It's a nice Saturday here in great state of GA. I got two new carburetors. Well, they're not new, they're rebuilt. I got two rebuilt carburetors right here, and put them on that boat motor. Now, Sterling took them off a couple weeks ago and cleaned the old ones. Boat ran good a couple of times, and then it took a dump again. So I'm gonna put these new or rebuilt carbs on it. Sterling don't seem to think it's the carburetors. He thinks it's something else, but everybody thinks it's something else. So if I went off of literally what everyone thought it was, the whole motor would be trash. That's not a joke either. So I'm just going on one thing at a time, and I'm not sure how old these carburetors are. They could be the original carbs, I don't know. But it had been sitting when I got. You're gonna have to get us some pliers, looks like. Pop that out. Pop that out. And we will go from there with it. Alright. Alright, we're making a little bit of progress. We got one in. Just putting some zip ties around them now. We'll put the nuts on it, and that'll take care of that. We're gonna see if it blows up or what. So we're gonna find out.